All right, let's get into the meat and potatoes. No chit-chatting. That's unnecessary on this video. Right here, you're looking at my top five. Top five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, this is pretty much a quick detailing video, but this is my top 5 cleaning products that I use on the regular, on all my vehicles, motorcycles, you name it, cars, trucks, boats. Well, boat has their own line. We could do another video on that. This is my top 5. Let's get into each one individually, and I'll talk about a little bit about them in my experience. Okay, number 1. It's not a detailer, but it is one of the most important things that I use, and I love this out of anything I've ever owned. For glass cleaner, Windex, I mean, Kim's Midway, or Kimball's Midway, anything, Safe Light glass. There's all sorts of different type of stuff. There's invisible glass. And no offense to all those other companies, but Sprayway is probably your top cleaner for using on tint windows and mirrors. I love this Sprayway glass cleaner. If you haven't tried that, go pick this up. You can find this stuff just about anywhere now. Home Depot sells it. It comes out as a foam, and it leaves no streak. It's no joke. It's probably the best glass cleaner, hands down, that you can buy for probably $3.50 just about any automotive parts store, including Home Depot. Okay, second on the list, Lucas Slick Mist. This is pretty cool stuff. I learned about this by a crane operator. This stuff is pretty good stuff for the bang for the buck. I think this is about $5 roughly for this. You can buy this at Walmart or any other automotive parts store. Lucas, it's easy to wipe on, and it's great for in between washes. And that's first list on the list, so pay attention to when you get some of this stuff. It says shake well to activate ingredients. If that's true, I guess not. But it is great in between washes, as long as you ain't got a lot of mud kicked on. It's kicked on. It has a cool smell, and it works well. So this would probably be number 5th. Well, I know the glass cleaner was in there, but this would probably be 5th. I have another fast wax, but that's for my boat. But we're gonna do that for another video. Lucas Slick Mist, pick this up. Walmart, any automotive parts store. I think it's around $5. Third on this list for the top 5 is Meguiar's. You knew Meguiar's was going to make this list on me because I have a couple videos a long time ago. You'd have to go way back in the Wayback Time Machine, but I have a list of Meguiar's wax. I might do an updated video for 2020 because there's new technology out there, and this is a quick detailer, and again, it's similar to that Lucas stuff, but it's probably a little bit higher quality, and I think this one is, all right, so it's 22 ounces. I'm not sure what the Slick Mist is, but I'll give you a rough idea. This is probably about $7 to $7 for this bottle, and Meguiar's is always top notch compared to Mother's and Meguiar's. I lean more towards Meguiar's. If Meguiar's is watching this, hello. Ultimate Quick Detailer. I use their wax, I use their pastes, I use their whole line of professional wax and everything to keep this truck, which is an 05, and you can see it's shiny. And yep, Ultimate Detailer. Check this one out. Any automotive parts store should carry this. I don't know if Home Depot has this. I know you can find most of this stuff on this video on Amazon. I'll see if I can pick up the links and get you guys links on Amazon for this stuff. Check this stuff out. Really good, beads well, and it lasts about a half a week, 6 days, 7 days, if you get a lot of rain and you're in the dirt. So great stuff in between washes. Again, Ultimate Quick Detailer. Been living under a rock. This is chemical, guys. This stuff is obviously, it says it right there, Los Angeles. This is where this stuff is made, in the good United States. This stuff you're gonna pay some money for, boy. I have the tire cleaner, I have the wax, and I have the interior cleaner. But I'll tell you what, this chemical, guys, stuff, I think this is $9 for this bottle. Again, this is only $16 compared to the Meguiar's, so you get a little bit more bang for your buck, I think, with the Meguiar's, but this stuff is amazing stuff. The scent on it alone is worth $9. I could sit there and read that for you. If you want to pause the video, feel free. Yeah, this stuff is good to go. Made in the United States, I do like that. And this synthetic quick detailer by Chemical, guys, is unbelievable. It leaves the truck or any type of paint shining. Look at the reflection. You can see my neighbor's house. But that actually wasn't from this stuff. Check out this little quick next one on my 5th and final one. But check this guys out. Chemical, guys, awesome stuff. And here this is gonna round out my top 5 roughly almost every week cleaning, detailing stuff that I use. And I know you can see A little bit has been used, and I just did my truck with this. I know this ceramic stuff has been out for a little while. When it first hit the market, it was super expensive, but Meguiar's came out with this hybrid ceramic detailer. They have a wax spray, and I'll tell you what, man, that is some pretty good shine for 15-year-old paint. I mean, I'm sure if you got on it, you could see some scratches, but this stuff is unbelievable, this ceramic detailer. By far, this is probably the most expensive right here. This is $15 for this bottle. You get 26 ounces with this, which is great. And it was probably right about it here, so that did a whole crew cab pickup truck. My truck's pretty clean. I even did the bumpers. So if you guys are gonna save, if you're gonna spend a little extra money between the chemical guys and this stuff, to be honest with you, I'd probably go with the Meguiar's ceramic detailer or any ceramic detailer for that matter, but I've discovered Meguiar's. I lean more towards these guys, and for your bang for your buck, this is unbelievable so far. I can't wait to see how long this lasts, and I'm gonna get the wax next. Again, shake well, read all your directions and stuff like that, but this stuff is great. Another one, made in the USA. I love that. So to conclude this video, top 5, if I was going to spend my money once, probably opt for this, $15 a bottle. Check this out, any automotive parts store, you guys. Enjoy, have fun cleaning. It's a little bit of zen for me. I love doing what I do, especially when it comes to vehicles. Look at that shine, unbelievable. All right, boys and girls, until the next video, keep your eye out in the comments below. If you guys want me to do another video on cleaning supplies, put some suggestions down there, and I'll see if I can put a video together for you guys, and I'll try to get some links up for where you can buy this stuff. All right, peace.